Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make pork steak.
We need 1 kilo pork chops, 4 cloves garlic minced, 2 pieces calamansi, 2 medium onions sliced into ring, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons Kikkoman soy sauce. Clean wrap, meat mallet, and chopping board. For these items, please see the description below. Dry your meat with a paper towel. Pound your meat with the meat mallet. Mix the calamansi, minced garlic, meat tenderizer, garlic granulated, salt, and pepper. Spread and massage these evenly on both sides of the meat slices. Marinade for at least 2 hours or overnight. Put it in the refrigerator. Preheat the pan. Pour the cooking oil. Sear the pork chops in high heat for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until you achieve the light brown color of the meat. In the same pan, add the cooking oil. Saute the garlic from the marinade. Add water, soy sauce, and a Worcestershire sauce. Add Knorr cubes and the meat. Let it simmer. Add the thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Simmer the meat until tender. When the meat is tender, remove it from the pan. Add the flour and the onions. Mix it well to make a sauce. Serve immediately. Our finished product, pork steak.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.